Let's paint my chairs. I don't sit in my kitchen chairs often because I normally eat my food in front of the TV in the living room. I just want to make these chairs look pretty and sit in my kitchen as nobody uses them. Some of them are pretty wobbly on the top, so I'm going to take them apart, glue them back together. This isn't fun. This side is not going to come out unless I take some drastic measures, which I don't even know what those would be, and I don't want to do it. If they don't give in pretty fast, I'm going to do a nice little cover-up job, put glue where I can, see if it helps at all. There are better ways to do this, but it's what it's going to be. You can tell where pieces of wood were put together and there's gaps. I want to hide the lines. My plan is just to use wood filler and sand it down, and hopefully when I paint over it will look normal. The glue up here seems to be doing great. It takes 24 hours to cure, but I can already tell that it's not wobbling anymore. No, I didn't mix it yet. Ah, I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. I don't think there's ever been a project yet where I correctly estimated the amount of time it would take. I always think it will be faster. I am always wrong. I'm gonna be super wrong with this one. I finished doing the primer, and now I'm going to the normal paint. And I'm hoping that one coat of primer and one coat of latex paint is going to be sufficient, because this is not fun. I feel like it could need another coat. I've currently done one coat of primer and 2 coats of paint and need to do one more. So all in all, I will have painted each chair 4 times. The same color. It's just a lot of white on top of white on top of white. I'm fine. I am fine. So another day, another chair color. I decided I was going to take the extra paint that I had from the fridge, and I'm going to incorporate it onto the chair. Not bad. I didn't paint the bottom of the chair because why? No one will see it except for you right now. I also noticed I didn't paint this part as well. But again, no one will see it, it's fine. Right now I'm taking these old ones out and replace them with these. Oh, yeah, let me apply it. Ow! It got me. All right, be careful if you're taking these out because somehow they can, you pull it out, it can somehow turn around and just poke you in the finger. Ninja things. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Come on out, please. Ooh, paint can opener. Paint can openers are the best. This is the second time it's helped me take something off a project. For real, if you need a lever of some kind. There were a few days where I'd come home from a long day of work and paint for like 4 hours. And it was usually the same color, white, over and over and over and over and over. And I went a little crazy, but I've regained my sanity. They're sitting in the kitchen looking pretty, just like I wanted them to do. So if you want to see more, subscribe. I will see you in my next video. It's gonna be worth it. That's what I keep telling myself.